In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a homepage on Squarespace. If you're ready to dive in, let's get started with your Squarespace account. First things first, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your account. Open up Squarespace in your web browser and enter your login details. Once you're logged in, you should be seeing your homepage. Take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. Here is where you'll find your profile icon. Clicking on this will lead you to a list of the websites associated with your account. Select the website you wish to work on from this list. It's important to select the right one, especially if you manage multiple sites. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen and click on the Pages option. This is where all the magic happens, as you'll be able to see all the pages that are part of your selected website. Look for the page you wish to set as your homepage, and note there's a settings icon next to it, usually depicted by a small gear or cog. Click on this settings icon, which will bring you to a new set of options specific to that page. This is where we'll make our change. In this menu, look for the section labeled General Settings. Upon clicking, you'll see the option to set this page as your home page. Go ahead and select Set as Home Page. Now, before we finish up, Squarespace will prompt you to confirm your decision. This is just to ensure that you didn't click anything by accident. So, at this point, simply click Confirm. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully set your new homepage. Keep in mind, setting the right homepage is crucial for the first impression your visitors will get, so make sure it's the page you want them to land on when they visit your site. If it's necessary to make any changes, just follow these steps again. You'll become a Squarespace pro in no time. There you have it. A straightforward process to enhance your website's navigation. If you have any questions or if there are other topics you'd like us to cover in the future, feel free to let us know. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this guide was helpful. See you next time.